Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust display timeout on MacBook, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So for this setting you have to go to the bottom of the screen and click on the battery icon. After that, click on the battery preferences, and then you can see here the turn display off after section or setting, and here you can adjust the time from 1 minute to never, but never letting your display go to sleep may shorten its life. So it's recommended to set a specific time, let's say 3 minutes, and after that you are all set. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.